5 Best User Reviews of the Extra Large Backpack, 18.4 Laptop Backpack with USB Port, Travel Backpack for Women with Luggage Sleeve, TSA-friendly Big College Bag Business Computer Backpack Fit Most 18-inch Gaming Laptops, Red. The extra-large women's backpack owns 20-plus pockets for large storage and organization for small items. 3 Spacious main multi-compartments give excellent protection for an 18.4 laptop and tablet. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Very nice travel backpack built to last. RoG. 5-star. Very nice travel backpack, lots of room and storage, very comfortable to fit, perfect size. I was going back and forth between the Swiss travel backpack, but this met my expectations. Very satisfied, very happy with the purchase, will recommend it. $48 bucks, you can't beat that. RoG. Number 1. Handle broke in 3 days, TMK. 1 star. The handle, which appears to be aircraft cable inside plastic, broke within 3 days of my son starting use of it. Since it was bought as a gift and we just have it to him this week, we are past the 30 days. I would ask for a replacement, but there is no information about how to contact the seller. TMK. Number 4. Mostly great. Slightly not. Francis N. 4 star. I bought this for a new job, knowing I would be commuting with my laptop. I sought something that was stylish, comfortable, had lots of storage and separated pockets. Was also looking for durability and overall good construction. Francis N. Number 3. Waterproofing leaves much to be desired and it leans perpetually. Reliat 08. 3 star. The biggest issue is the lack of waterproofing. It's supposed to be relatively resistant to water, but if you're out in the mild rain for more than half an hour, I think you'll find that most of what is in your pack has gotten wet. My passport, sweatshirt, external phone charger and a number of other documents and electronics were somewhere between mildly wet and soaked through after a couple of hours in the rain, even while I was using an umbrella. Reliat 08. Number 5. Fantastic, sturdy, very good quality and craftsmanship. Paul Deck. 5 star. Fantastic, sturdy, very good quality and craftsmanship. I seem to find a new pocket or little storage place every day. Zippers strong and sturdy. This bag's storage is voluminous. The built-in charger port is a nice novelty. Buy a separate battery and threw it into the internal pouch. Why not? Treat yourself. Paul Deck. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.